Chevrolet's MyLink infotainment system has powered navigation, Bluetooth, and media controls in millions of vehicles for over a decade. Even though newer Chevy models now use updated infotainment platforms, many drivers still rely on MyLink every day. If your screen freezes, Bluetooth won't connect, or audio stops working, a reset is often the quickest fix before scheduling service. Important steps. 1. Start with a soft reset by pressing and holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen shuts off, then turn it back on and allow it to reboot. 2. If problems continue, go to the home screen, open Settings, select System, and choose Reset to Factory Settings to perform a full reset. 3. Confirm the reset, knowing it will erase saved phones, presets, and personal settings. 4. If the system is completely frozen, turn off the vehicle, wait a couple of minutes, then disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 30 seconds. 5. Reconnect the battery and restart the vehicle to allow the system to reinitialize. 6. After any reset, reconnect Bluetooth devices and reconfigure your preferences.